hand for. Sir, I was raising hand for the doubt.
बोलो क्या डाउट है आपका?
I don't understand this. Replace the box by correct numbers of fraction.
You have
I
to
was about to raise hand for it in first period, but then the period ended.
okay, pay attention here. You keep the mic on. Now we have to get the value of these boxes. This boxes is nothing but one type of fraction only, na?
Yeah.
Something upon something. So it is one type of fraction only. Okay. So whenever we want to get the value of any unknown quantity, like for example, x minus 2 is equal to 3. We want the value of x in this equation. So what we do, we keep that unknown thing on one side and we shift all the other things to other side. So what it will become 3 plus 2. So what is the value of x then in this equation?
5.
It is 5. तो सेम कंसेप्ट आपको यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है. हमारा अननोन क्या है यहाँ पे? बॉक्सेस अननोन है. ओके, सो व्हाट वी विल डू नाउ, वी विल शिफ्ट दिस बॉक्स. नाउ बॉक्स के पहले साइन कौन सा है? माइनस, यानी ये बॉक्स का ही, ये जो बॉक्स में जो फ्रैक्शन आने वाला है उसका ही साइन माइनस है. तो उसको उधर शिफ्ट करने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा वो?
Plus.
ओके, 1/6 प्लस दिस बॉक्सेस. यस और नो?
Yeah.
हाँ. Now we want the value of these boxes. So what we will do, we'll shift this fraction to this side because unknown quantity का अगर वैल्यू हमको चाहिए तो बाकी सब चीजें हम लोग दूसरे साइड में शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. यस और नो?
Yeah.
So 2/1 minus 1/6 will be equal to box upon box. Now just solve this part and you will get the answer of these boxes. Okay. Now how to solve it, Shlok? 2/1.
We have to convert like unlike fractions to like.
Correct. So what will be the LCM then?
LCM will be. Sir, how we will take out LCM of 1? Oh, it will be as it is. The answer will be 6.
So 2 into 6 upon 1
So 6
into
or 12.
6 minus 1 into 1 upon 6 into 1, which is equal to box upon box. Okay, solve it. What it will come? 12 upon 6
12
minus
upon 6
1
minus
upon.
1 upon 6, which is 11 upon 6.
Correct. 12 minus 1 divided by 6, which is equal to box upon box. So 11 upon 6, which is equal to box upon box. So the value of this is what? This is 11 and this is
11
6.
by 6.
So here it will come 11/6. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next one. Who will do the next one? Yes, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Sir, we
will keep box upon box on this side only and we will shift that minus 1/5 to RHS. So this will become plus 1/5. That's it.
plus 1/5.
Just
Yes,
solve
sir.
this RHS part now.
Sir, the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10.
Correct.
Sir, then we will 1 into 5 and 2 into 5. Then 1 into 2 by 5 into 2. So 5 by 10 plus 2 by 10. So it will be 7 by 10.
It will be 7/10. So what is the value of box then?
Sir, it will be 7 by 10.
Correct. So the value inside the box will come 7/10. This box will be 7 and this box will be 10. Okay. So put it here 7/10. Okay. Next one. Yes, Bhumi God.
Yes, sir.
So There's no like there's just a whole number 2 there.
So no problem. We can write 2 like this also, not 2 by 1.
Yes.
Hmm.
Uh, so 1 by we'll put 2 by 1 aside with 48 by 25.
We will shift the boxes first because it is in the negative sign. The sign before the boxes is negative. So we'll shift the boxes to RHS. Now we will shift this 48 by 25 to this side because we want the value of boxes. So 2 by 1 minus 48 upon 25, which is equal to box upon box. Okay, just
So
solve this. Hmm.
so it will be plus now because we have shifted it to this side.
ये प्लस में था, ये माइनस में हो जाता है. प्लस का माइनस होता है. जैसे ये बॉक्सेस माइनस में था, उधर शिफ्ट करने के बाद ये प्लस में हो गया. देखो, इन शिफ्टिंग प्लस का माइनस होता है, माइनस का प्लस होता है. व्हेन वी शिफ्ट फ्रॉम एलएचएस टू आरएचएस. यस भूमि, just solve this LHS part now. What is the LCM?
Yes. So the LCM is 25.
Correct.
1 and 5.
So what it will come?
50 by 25 and 48 by 25. So 2 by 25.
So value inside the box will be what?
2 by 25.
2 by 25. 2 by 25, which is equal to the box. So the answer will be 2 for the upper box and it will be 25 for the lower box. So put 2 by 25 here. Okay. Last one. Okay, it's over, I think so. Now worded problems are there. Yes, who will try the first worded problem? Yes, Reva. 6th B, roll number
Sir,
7.
sir, I didn't understand question number 4
What
because you
what
question number 4 I didn't understand.
क्या नहीं समझा इसमें?
Sir, last question.
So this is the last one, na?
Yes, I didn't understand because I was disconnected.
Okay. See, we have to find the value of these boxes here. So what we do, we shift the boxes on the other side because it is in the negative sign. It is having a negative sign with it. So we shift the boxes on the other side. You can check it here. Okay. 2, I have written it like this, 2 by 1. 48 upon 25 is as it is, RHS part. ये नेगेटिव बॉक्सेस अगर हम लोग आरएचएस में शिफ्ट कर देंगे तो ये पॉजिटिव बॉक्सेस बन जाते हैं. देखो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव साइन आ गया है. मुझे बॉक्सेस का वैल्यू चाहिए तो आई हैव शिफ्टेड दिस 4 by 25 to this side. Okay, and when we shift 4 by 25 plus 4 by 25 to LHS, it will become minus 4 by 25, and just we have done the subtraction operation. Okay.
Yes, I understand now.
Okay, mute yourself. Parth Agrawal.
Shreya painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in her room. Her sister Sylvie helped and painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. How much did they both painted?
Hmm.
So sir, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So is equal to 3 by 3.
Okay. Now pay attention. It's correct. Your answer is correct. Okay, this is the wall. Okay, this is wall. So Shreya painted 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 means this will come till here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and Sylvie painted this much portion. See, Sylvie painted this much portion. अगर आप ये दोनों को ज्वाइन कर दोगे ना तो ये पूरा वॉल पेंट हो गया अभी. ओके, सो श्रेया पेंटेड 2 by 3 of the wall space. Mute yourself, noise is coming. In her room. Okay, next Sylvie painted 1 by 3 of the wall space okay, so total wall painted will be what? As it is, you will write it, huh? Each and every step should be there. It will be 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now these two are the like fractions, that denominator is same, so we will write a common denominator. Numerator will be what? 2 plus 1, so it will come 3 by 3. So the complete wall is painted. 1 means the complete wall is painted. Okay, how much did they both paint? So they both painted the complete wall. This will be the final answer. Write down the final statement also. They both painted the complete wall. Okay. Yes, Devesh Soni, next one.
Yes, sir. A piece of wire 7/8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece is 1/4 meter long. How long is the other piece? Sir, first we have to subtract 1/4 from 7/8.
Okay, 7 by 8 meter long. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. यानी total wire का length कितना है?
7/8 meter.
Okay, this is your wire. Now what they have said? What they have said?
One piece is 1.4 meter long. How long is the other piece?
So one piece, suppose this is one piece, it is 1/4 meter long. So we have to find this other piece. Okay, we have to find this other piece. So what will be the length of this other piece then?
Sir, first we have to
Suppose we
subtract
will give this point as C. Okay, so first we'll write the given data. What is given? Length of wire. You will draw the figure also here. Huh? Length of wire is equal to 7 by 8 meter. One piece of wire is equal to 1/4 meter. Let other piece of wire be X. Let other piece of wire is equal to X meter. यानी ये जो टुकड़ा है CB इतना जो पोर्शन है वायर का, that is X meter, ऐसा हमने कंसिडर किया है. Now what we know from figure, AB is equal to AC plus CB. Okay, AB का वैल्यू कितना है? 7/8. AC का वैल्यू कितना है? 1/4. और CB को हमने क्या कंसिडर किया है? X. Just solve this, you will get the answer. Okay, 7/8, we will shift that 1/4 on LHS, so this will become -1/4, which is equal to X. So what will be the value of X?
we have to make 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 4 like 8. So we will multiply it by 2 because it's their,
Correct.
because 8 is their LCM
Correct.
and 4 into 2 is equals to 8.
So what is the value of X? 5 by 8 meter is the other piece of the wire. 5 by 8 meter. Yes, you have to draw the figure. Everybody will draw the figure. And I want the answer as it is, whatever I have written on your screen. Okay. No direct answers will be considered. Okay, next one. Okay, next who will try? Pankaja Shingade, 6th rule number 17. Okay, Vaishnavi Jaju.
Yes, sir.
Jay takes 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Ronik takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? So, sir, we have we will subtract.
Yes, carry on. School ground. This is your school ground. Okay. From point
Yes.
A, we start. Point A, B, C,
Yes.
D. Okay.
And D.
So Jay इधर से start करता है. He moves like this across the school ground. Okay.
Yes.
In this direction. Then he goes to point D. And finally, again, he comes to point A. Okay. For this, he takes a time of 1 by 5 meters. 1 by 5
Yes.
minutes. Okay.
Yes. Sir, this is a whole number, right? 2.
Yes.
1 by 5 minutes. And Ronik takes 7 by 4 minutes.
Across the school ground.
Hmm.
Figure,
Yes.
or you will have to draw the figure also, everybody. Huh? And Ronik
Okay, sir.
takes
7 by 4 minutes.
7 by 4 minutes
Yes.
to walk
The
across
ground. Across the ground.
the school ground.
So
Okay.
first, we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Na?
Yes. Okay. So 2 1 by 5. Convert it.
Yes.
This will come 11 by 5.
5 into 2, 7. No, 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, 11 by 5.
Now
And this.
we have to compare these two fractions. Which one is greater?
So we have to take LCM of the denominators because these are the unlike fractions.
Okay. LCM of 5 and 4 is what?
20.
Okay. Next.
5, 11 fours are 44 upon 20 and the 7 there's a 35 upon 20.
Okay. So ultimately what we will get in the next step then, I'm writing it here. Huh? Now there is no space. So
44 upon
20.
20 and 35 upon 20.
So
We
which
have
one is
to take
greater?
less time.
So which one is greater?
Greater is 44 upon 20.
That means
We have,
Jay takes more time. Okay.
yes.
Jay takes
So
more time.
Ronic takes less time and by
Ronik
which fraction point
takes less time.
less time.
Okay. And उसके बाद में आप लिखोगे required time. what it will come?
Take by time.
11 by
35
5 minus 7 by 4. Bigger fraction minus smaller fraction.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Hmm. How much it comes? You solve it and tell me the answer. Yes, you have to draw the figure. Solve this. 11 by 5 minus 7 by 4. I will not solve it now. I'll directly write the answer. Shaurya is telling it is 9 by 20. Okay, you will solve it. 9 by 20 is the answer. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, next one. Yes, next one. Who will try? Yes, Riddhi Siddhi.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer, 9 by 10 kilometer from her school. She walked from distance and then took a bus for 2 kilometer to reach her school. How far did she walk?
Okay, this is
Sir, 1.5 means half. Sir, half we will kilometer. Minus 9 by 10 and 1 by 2. First, we will make the denominator same and then we will minus it.
why?
Subtract.
What is the reason?
City, what is the reason? Sir, the question is how far did she walk? And in the question that is there, she took a bus for and only half kilometer. Half kilometer. That's why.
Okay. But what
So we will first
what is
took
the
out
distance between school and her house? How much is the
10
distance?
kilometer. 9 by 10 kilometer. 9
Oh,
upon 10
okay, so this distance is 9 by 10 kilometer, correct?
kilometer.
Okay.
And from this half, sorry.
Now somewhere at any point between the school and house, she took a bus. Okay, suppose we will consider that at this point she took a bus. Okay, so from here to her house, the distance is what? It is 1 by 2 kilometer.
1.5 kilometer.
Okay, so
Yes,
this
sir.
is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. We will take it as like this. Okay, next. Now we will write the given distance
Distance
between
between her school and her house.
her school
School and her house.
and her house
House
is equal
is
to
equals to 9 upon 10 kilometers.
okay. Okay. Next is distance
Then she took bus,
traveled by bus.
traveled by bus to reach her school,
Her home house.
to reach her home house. I don't read the to reach her school. Bus
Huh.
to reach her school.
Okay, it is 1 by 2 kilometers.
But 1.5 kilometer.
Okay,
Is equals
so
to half kilometer.
we will take distance
She walked. She traveled.
she walked
She walked. Distance she walked.
is equal to x meters. We don't know it, na? So we will take it as x kilometers. The unit is kilometers.
Kilometers.
Okay.
Yes. Sir.
Now
Now
AB is equal to AC plus CB.
C plus C.
AB is 9 by 10. AC is how much? We don't know, it is x. And CB is
Plus
1 by 2. Solve it. Tell me the answer.
yes, sir. Sir, when we will subtract it is equal x is equals to 9 upon 10. 9 upon 10 into 2 into 5. 2 into 5 upon 1 into 5. क्या सर ने जो लिखे वही ले रही sorry 2 नहीं sorry 5. So we will multiply 5 upon 10.
2 by 5
9
is the simplest form.
9 upon 10 minus 5 upon 10.
So the answer is 2 upon 5 kilometers. Distance she
Yes,
walked.
2.5 kilometers.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, mute
2,
yourself.
yes, sir. Speech.
Yes, Ajinkya Shitode. Next one.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Aditya jumped 4 1 by 4 meter in a long jump event, and his classmate Arman jumped 1 5 by 8 meter less than Aditya. How long was Arman's jump? Sir, we have to minus Aditya's jump by the Arman's jump. First, they are mixed fractions, sir. We have to convert them into unlike fractions, like fractions, and then take out 4 and 8's LCM. The LCM is 8, and then we have to take out that we have to minus the Aditya jumps by Arman's jumps, and the answer will be, sir, I'm calculating that.
Okay.
1/5.
Pay attention. Okay. This much is Aditya's jump. This is 4 1/4 meters. Okay. If we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, it will come 17 upon 4 meter. This is the jump of Aditya. Arman's jump is 1
8, 9, 10,
1 5 by 8 meter less. Okay. 1 5 by 8 meter less than Aditya. Means Aditya ki jump yahan tak hai. Pay attention. Everybody pay attention. Everybody pay attention. Aditya ki jump yahan tak hai. From this point to this point. Okay. आदित्य की जंप यहाँ से पॉइंट ए से लेके पॉइंट बी तक. ओके. बट हमको क्या बोला गया है कि अरमान की जो जंप है वो आदित्य के जंप से कितनी छोटी है? 1 5 by 8 meters. Okay, 1 5 by 8 meters. यानी suppose if I take this point as C, this point as D, यानी D से लेके ये पॉइंट B तक का जो डिस्टेंस है, this is how much? This is 1 5 by 8 meter. So if we convert it 1 5 by 8 meter, so what it will come? 8 1 are 8, 8 plus 5 is 13 upon 8 meters. यानी ये D से B तक का डिस्टेंस कितना है? 13 upon 8 meters. We have to find the jump of this Arman. यानी हमको डिस्टेंस CD निकालना है. Now from above figure, what we can write? CD plus DB, that is equal to AB. Okay. CD we have to find, so we will keep it as it is. DB हमारे पास है 13 by 8, which is equal to AB भी हमारे पास है 17 by 4. Okay, so CD will be what? 17 by 4 minus 13 by 8. Just solve it, you will get the answer. Okay, so LCM is what? Of 4 and 8, it is 8. So 17 into 2 divided by 4 into 2 minus 13 into 1 divided by 8 into 1. Okay, so CD will be equal to this. CD will be equal to 34 upon 8 minus 13 upon 8. CD will be equal to what? 34 minus 13. So CD will be equal to what? What it will come? What it will come? 34 minus 13. 21 upon 8. 21 upon 8 meter is the jump of Arman. Okay, 21 upon 8 meter is the jump of Arman. Okay. Next one. Yes, Shreya Gilda. I think so. This is the last question.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I'm audible. Yes. Raj House is 5.5 kilometer from college in the east direction. Rohan's house is 3.14 kilometer away from Raj's house in west direction. How far is the college from Rohan's house?
But
Sir, first.
first tell me which is east and which is west, which is north, which is south. This top direction, what it is?
Okay, sir. Sir, in the right direction, it is east.
In the right, it is east. In this direction, it is east. You mean to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In the west, in the opposite hand of east, it is west,
Okay.
and downside it is south.
Okay.
Yes. And ma'am, and sir, now we will convert the mixed fractions firstly into improper fractions.
First we will
So, sir,
mark Raj's house and Rohan's house now in the figure.
okay, sir. Raj's house will come in east
Okay.
direction.
So this is Raj's house.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. This is starting point. This is origin. Okay. So
Yes,
from
sir.
origin to this Raj house, the distance is 5.1/2 kilometers. Okay. We will name this point as A. Okay. Now Rohan's house.
Sir, Rohan's house is, sir, Rohan's house is in west direction.
From west direction. From whose house?
Raj's house.
तो ये राज का घर है, करेक्ट। अभी राज के घर में घर पे अगर आप हो तो उसका वेस्ट डायरेक्शन यानी ये वाला आ जाएगा, दिस विल बी द वेस्ट डायरेक्शन। और राज का जो घर है यहाँ से, सॉरी रोहन का जो घर है यहाँ से राज के घर से कितने डिस्टेंस पे है? दिस इज 3.1/4 kilometers.
Sorry.
So this is Rohan's house. Okay. So how far is college from Rohan's house? You have to find the distance OB in this figure. What you have to find? Distance OB, because this is your college at the origin. Getting my point? समझ
Sir,
में
I
आए?
didn't understand that how Rohan's house came in south.
Who told it's in south? I have marked the arrow. This is house of Rohan.
Okay. Okay, in the east only Rohan's house is there.
No. जो राज का घर है ना उसके वेस्ट में आना चाहिए रोहन का घर. That is
Acha.
given in the question.
Okay, means where is the Raj's house? From that side, the Rohan's house
Should come in the west. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. So now we are having distance OA from figure, distance OA, it is nothing but distance OB plus distance AB. Okay. So distance OA is what? It is 5.1/2.
Yes, and distance AB is.
We have to find distance. We have to find distance OB. We will keep it as it is.
Okay, sir.
And 3.1/4 will come here. So solve it. This will come 11/2.
Sir, and sir, next one will come 13/4.
It will come 13/4. So distance OB will come what?
13 upon 4.
Distance OB will come 11 by 2 minus 13 upon 4. Okay.
4.
So solving this will come 22 by 4 minus 13 by 4. I have taken the LCM directly. Huh? You do it stepwise.
Yes, sir. I have also taken.
Okay.
Sir, LCM is 4.
Okay. So what it will come?
Sir, the answer is 9 upon 4.
9 upon 4 kilometers. So from Rohan's house, the distance of college is how much? 9 by 4 kilometers.
9 upon 4 kilometers.
Okay. Those who did not understand it, those who did not got this worded problems, you check the video.